Spending time with your loved ones is the best, but we also want to spend time on our hobbies. So how do we combine the two? Most hobbies require going to a specific facility or using specific equipment. But what if you could stay home with your family and do what you love? Now you can. Introducing DOBOT Magician. The portability and multifunctionality has never been combined so well in a unibody design before. Powerfully potential in movements and enjoyable in silence. Discover a geek inside of you. DOBOT Magician can do splendid 3D printing. As a robotic arm, it's so precise that you can find plenty of details in the smoothly printed models. Get creative with the double color printing head and create original things like toys for your kids. Say yes to the creative cook you've been hiding inside of you all this time. Shape your breakfast into whatever you like. Besides, you don't need to make a wire mess in the kitchen. Just use Wi-Fi. Unleash the possibilities with the hand-hold teaching feature. Teach DOBOT to assist you in learning or to perform any other repetitive motion. Hold down the button and move the arm. Release, enjoy. Now the DOBOT Magician software is integrated. Draw, engrave, and teach it to move without leaving the program. With its enhanced writing, printing, and laser engraving features, you can get your favorite images on any surface. Just open the image in the DOBOT software and you're ready to go. It's delicately calibrated for drawing or laser engraving on hard materials like leather and wood. DOBOT Magician is your best robot to get creative with. Be twice as productive with multi-DOBOT cooperation. Working without USB cables? No problem. Just pull it off and let it do its thing. Switching the end tool has never been this fast. Just unscrew the pin, change it, screw it back in. Done. DOBOT Magician is also thoughtfully designed for advanced users. There are 13 open connection ports. This is where you can really expand the horizons. You can connect additional modules like voice control, USB communication module, extra motor, or create one by yourself. You can also learn programming and robotics with DOBOT Blocky. It's the best opportunity for beginners to get started in programming, no matter if you're a child or an adult. This is DOBOT Magician, a robotic arm that integrates so many features to help you unleash your creativity, making you believe in what you've always wanted to. This is magic.